Huawei Honor isn't trying to battle the iPhone X, $999 at Apple, or Galaxy S8, $899.11 at Amazon.com, with its latest phone. Instead, the Honor 7X is aimed squarely at those of you who don't want to splash the cash on elite handsets, but still want some of the pizzazz that comes with them. With an expected price somewhere under the £300 mark, the 7X is more closely related to the similarly affordable Moto G5 Plus, $229.99 at Amazon Marketplace. While the G5 has a water-resistant design, which the 7X does not, the Honor's great screen and slicker overall design makes it the more compelling choice. How the two truly stack up remains to be seen in our full review. There's no official prices yet, but it's expected to be below £300. The previous Honor 6X went on sale for £225. There's no word on when the phone will land in the US or Australia, but for reference, even an estimated £280 price converts to $369 and $485. The screen is where the excitement lies. It's the massive 5.93-inch affair, with tiny bezels on all sides. With a fingerprint scanner on the back, rather than the front, the display has been able to take up all available room in the chassis. Sure, the Galaxy S8, Google Pixel 2 XL, $849.99 at Best Buy, and Huawei Mate 10 Pro have all done that, but they'll both cost you hundreds more. The 8-megapixel front-facing camera takes sharp shots and has quite a wide angle of view, so you won't need to squash your friends in too closely to get everyone in view. What you won't find on the 7X is any kind of water resistance, something that is becoming a standard on higher-end phones. Keep it away from any potential splashes and be careful taking calls in the rain. It charges using the older micro USB rather than USB-C, which isn't much of a problem as it means you can keep using the charging cables you had from your previous handset. It also launches with the older Android Nougat software rather than Oreo. It's a shame not to see the latest version on board, given that it's been available for some time, but I can just about forgive it, given the price of the phone. Honor is currently looking at early next year for an update to Oreo. The 3340 mAh battery, non-removable, is pretty sizable, although that large screen will be an energy hog. I would expect to get a day of power with careful use, but we'll test that fully in the review.